depending upon the season or the period in which you are. Sometimes we wake up early as 4, sometimes 5, so we start the journey.
We anchor our canoes or at the sea. 1 or 2 crew members go on the sea, bring the canoe down to pick the crew members. In each canoe we have about 10, 15, 20 members in the crew. When we go, we come back 8, 9, depending on the bumper harvest that we get, or depending on the fish stocks that we get from the sea back to our landing beaches.
So when we go, you look for fish, you find the anchovy, it will come up. Sometimes the birds, that signal the spots of the fish. Mostly the anchovies too, so it's small, so the birds like eating the smaller fish, so they flock around where the anchovies are. That will signal you that the anchovies is there. You go, when you go, you see it and you cast your net around it, then you scoop it. Ours is poly net, then you scoop it, then you find that it's anchovies.